Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do slime makeovers. And you see those purple and yellow chick? Well, I was at my football game yesterday. Yeah, let's get on to the video. Let's go. So, today we have this one, which is sticky. We have this weird sticky one, and we have this hard one. Super hard. So, the first one we're going to do is this one. It is super stretchy. First, let's activate it. So I have activated right here. Get a spoonful and put it in. Mix it up. And I think it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna knead it and see when I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna be done in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Just kidding, I wasn't finished. This time I'm gonna be finished in snap. 3, 2, 1. That was bad snap. 3, 2, 1. I can't snap. 3, 2, 1. We're finished. I finally finished it. Took forever though. Even though I did magic. It was like, when I touched it, it was still super sticky, so I had to keep doing magic. And then it finally came together, but it's still kind of sticky. But it's good. So this time I'm going to do purple. Yeah. Since it's a slime makeover. So let's get on to that makeover. So here's the slime. And it's gonna pour some purple paint into here. I had this for one day, but it was like super hot. Well, I didn't have it for one day. Even though it's freezing here where I live, it melted because I put too much soap into it, because soap's my deactivator. So the hard one that I have, I'm going to deactivate with some soap. Here's the soap, milk and honey. You see there's it's not purple enough yet. It's not purple. When I'm finished all these, I'm going to slime smoothie, and I'm going to do ASMR with all of them, and then do a slime makeover. I'm not slime makeover, I'm doing one right now. A slime smoothie, and then a big slime ASMR. It's not going to be that big. Guys, see, it's turning purple. Ta-da! Oh. Good, I love it. So it is super clippy, but it's not purple yet. Ready to watch? It's super sad. Gosh. Okay, watch this. It's so cool. I'm gonna do that with all the slimes. Okay. Now let's mix. I don't care if it gets all over my hands like the paint, but it's starting to turn better. purple, but not that good. Ah! Okay. So I don't really have anything to do like a makeover where we do like you do different textures. I don't have any stuff to do textures. So that's it for this slime. Let's go to the next one. So the next slime is this sticky blue slime. Well, I love this color, but I'm going to change it to pink. I don't know why I did. Well, I did do white because I just felt like it getting all over my hands. So when I see you again, it's going to be activated. Oh, yeah. It's going to take a long time for me and not that long for you. So, yeah. So, I think this is finished. I think it's finished. And now let's do the color. I think it's going to be a light purple. Because red plus blue equals purple. So let's start with the red. I'm going to make purple. I like purple, but there's going to be 2 light purple slimes. For this one, I'm going to make a purple, like darker. This one, I think I'm going to do darker. Whoa. Oh my gosh. One YouTuber did a slime makeover. She put pink into blue slime, blue into pink slime, and they're both purple. But the one where she put the red into blue, it made a red purple. So I think I'm gonna put a little more red in, cause I want to. Oh my gosh, that was satisfying. Woo. And that's enough. See when it's all mixed. When I put the white in. The white water. Yeah. So it's all mixed in. It doesn't look like I did that much red. But I did. Because it turned this color, but lighter. You can't really see it. It's not this color, but lighter. Doesn't show the right color on camera, but it's super pretty. But lighter. And yeah. And then I added red and it made this color. Time to put in the white. It's water. Because I ran out of it super quickly. So, oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. Oh my gosh. Guys, so on the radio 103.3, there is, it's Christmas music already, even though it's November 11th. It turned on November 12th. My mom said Santa called the radio people and said, do the switch. Yeah, I don't know. I do weird stuff a lot. I'm a weird kid. Just paint all over the table. Here's a sneak peek of my table. It's a mess. My table is a mess without this. There's so many cups on the table. There was like 700 today. So yeah. Yesterday I was bundled up. It was freezing cold. So yeah. So I finished the slime. And that's my makeover for this one. Guys, look at this cup. It's a mess. The same, there's no texture. The last one is the hard one. You see this? If I try to stretch it slowly, it stretches. But if I stretch it like this, it just rips. I need to do handy dandy lotion. I hope it works. Sometimes I use this, not really, because I don't like to. Super messy. So it gets all over my hands doing this, so I'm just gonna do it off camera without you seeing me doing this. Okay, because it takes forever. Since it didn't really work, I'm gonna put it in some water. Yeah! I'm gonna do hot water. Hi. I'm in the kitchen. So let's just let it sit. Okay, so see you when it's finished. 5 hours later. It's finally finished. It took like forever, but it's still sticky. Because you heard, it took like 5 hours. Ah! So this time's gonna be black. I'm a crazy person today. Where's the black? Found it. I'm not gonna take it out because it's too sticky. And my hands are so wet now. I worked with a half of it, and that half was this half. It wasn't even a half. It was like a third. I just dropped them in. Yay. Okay, let's mix it. I bet I'm gonna need more because I just put a tiny bit in. Look, guys. Does it look like it's turning black? It's not. It's jiggly now because I put it in water. Remember? I think I'm going to take this out. It's so jiggly. Oh my gosh.
Oh her gosh.
Jiggly, 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 jiggly. Oh my gosh. OMG. Oh my goodness. So cool. I think that's it for the slime. And I just dropped my slime on the ground. Okay. So remember from the beginning when I said we're going to do a slime ASMR then slime smoothie? That's what we're doing. Purple slime still stinking.
Water pig. It's a water pig.
What
are you doing with the hand soap?
I don't know. So I got my purple slime, and let's do some ASMR. This is my favorite part. Didn't work. If I make a small bubble, I'll show you guys. Ta-da! Bubble. This is my favorite thing to do when I do a bubble. Okay, that's it for the purple slime, but I'm going to leave it out. Because remember, we need it for the next one. I'm not going to do the slime smoothie. I'll do it in another slime. So, bye guys.